Hi everyone! We're getting some crazy rainfall here in Southern California right now. And as the skies open up and the rain pours down, your garden might face some challenges ranging from soil erosion to waterlogged plants. Well, here's some quick and practical tips to help protect your garden during heavy rainfall. The first tip is move your small containers to a sheltered location, either on a covered porch, under the eaves, in a basement, or even inside on your kitchen table, which is what I'm going to do. That way it'll prevent your small containers from getting waterlogged and help keep your plants healthy during the rainstorm. These are going inside. The next tip is elevate your smaller containers for drainage. Now that's the great thing about growing in smart pots. Because the fabric is aerated, they drain much better than plastic pots and are going to do much better in a rainstorm. So I'm just going to place 4 bricks down here, or you can use wooden planks and put my container on top of it so the water flows out the bottom, has more airflow, and less chance of the plant getting waterlogged. Next tip is cover your plants. Now use a small umbrella or a large patio umbrella. Group your plants together on your deck or patio, put the umbrella onto your trellis, and do make sure you clip it on securely in case of wind. You can also use a plastic cover, but make sure that you vent the cover at the bottom and keep an eye on the wind so the cover doesn't blow off. The next tip to protect your garden from heavy rain is strategic mulching. Add a layer of mulch such as shredded leaves or pine needles around the base of your plants. Mulch acts as a protective barrier, preventing soil erosion caused by heavy rain. It also helps regulate soil moisture, reducing the impact of excessive water on your plant's roots. Next tip, don't forget to turn off your drip irrigation. Now this may seem obvious, but if you're like me and you have your drip irrigation on a timer, it's something that you might overlook. So set your timer to off and make sure you do that to all your timers if you have a couple of them. This way, not only are you saving water, but your plants won't get waterlogged from your drip irrigation plus the rainfall. If you haven't yet heard, we just launched our brand new Grow Your Groceries with CaliChem Connect Plus subscription box. Not only does it still include the same wonderful monthly garden projects, but now it includes membership to the CaliChem Garden Tribe Connect Plus group and a live CaliChem monthly garden class with all kinds of fun garden information. So go check it out over at CaliChemGardeningHome.com and get $20 off your first month with the code CONNECT. The last tip, keep an eye on that weather forecast, and if rain is coming soon, put these proactive things into place so your garden is protected from heavy rain. It's very quick, very simple to do, and can really make a big difference. Let me know in the comments, are you expecting rain in your area, and which of these tips are you going to do to help your garden out? Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video.